Since I'm thirsty and you bought me glass of water, half glass of water maybe, and I'm happy for this because when I needed, you gave me the water to drink. So I'm happy for this. Number one situation. Number two situation. Say suppose I'm going to your class to take a class of
Sir,
yes.
it's a one guy from mechanical engineering. He's waiting for you to join
What
him.
is your name?
So please
What
let
is
him
your
know.
name?
Saidur Sheikh, sir.
Shaikur, when I'm taking a session, why are you stopping me for like this?
No, sir. One guy is calling me
No,
just to
that's not
join.
my no, that's not my problem. The session was supposed to start from 1 p.m. 1:44 p.m. He's joining. He want to join. Why will I allow him?
Oh, sir, sorry, sir.
Looking at the things that does also matter. See, there are two ways of looking the things. Number one, if I say example, I'm taking your classes. Say suppose I'm taking your class. I'm going to your class to take the class on of this subject HU501. HU501. I went to your class. There is no clock in your classroom. I went to your class. I bought this half broken clock to your classroom. I carry this half broken clock to your classroom. When I keep this clock on your table, there will be two kinds of reactions. There will be two kinds of reaction. One reaction. There will be two kinds of reaction. One reaction will be number one. Sir, why did you bought this half broken clock to our office? You could have bought a new one. You could have carried a new one, a good looking one. You are spoiling the decorum of the class. You are spoiling the interior of the class. Number one. And number two category, people will be saying, Sir, thank you so much. Since we do not have a watch in our classroom, now we can see the time because half of us we are not wearing a watch, and during the class time we are not allowed to use the mobile phone. So there are two ways of seeing the things. So first category person, 90% of the crowd will be falling on the first category. So why did you want that half broken watch clock? And second category, few of the people will be falling in that category, and few of them they will be having no comment. It does not matter to them anything. Understood. This is the way of looking at things. Say suppose if you are a positive thinker, if you are a positive thinker, of course, if you are a positive thinker, of course, you will fall into the second category. But it's not very easy to fall under second category because we human being, that is again human tendency. More than positive things, we see the second, negative things first, and more than positive, we always expect negativity first. Understood what I'm saying? So that is again human tendency. See, we all human being, we have energy level. We all have energy level. So once we start seeing the negative, because we are always influenced by negative things. We always see negative things first, human tendency. But again, what happens if we know how to channelize our thinking, how to think the things, since we have so much of energy in our body, so if we know how to guide our energy towards the positive direction, believe me, the way we see the world, our way of thinking will be changed. The way we see the things, our way of thinking will get changed, and we will start looking everything the positive way. There's a saying that if I wanted something so desperately, and I'm giving my 100% for that, my dedication, my I'm disciplined, I'm giving my full-fledged effort, hard working, everything. Even the environment will also support me to get that thing. But if I am not focusing on what I want, only saying only saying that I want it will not make you will not get that thing. For this you have to go for it, my friend. Unless you do not feel the pain, you will not get it. Like an example, semester wise you have an examination, entire semester you are not studying, only on the day of the one night before the examination you are praying to God, God, please help me to get my at least passing marks so that this semester I get passed. Next semester onwards, I'll be very sincere and dedicated. I'll focus on my studies. And you are lighting the agarbattis and you are burning the agarbattis, so many agarbattis, and you are praying to God. God, please, please, please help me this semester. Next semester onwards, I will, follow everything. And next day you give examination. Again, the same routine will follow in the next semester examination as well. But this is not done, no? This is not done. See, if entire semester you did not study, entire semester you did not study, and just one day before, if you're praying to God, even God will also not help you if you do not do your preparation. So you need to prepare yourself properly for the examination. Those who have studied properly entire semester, before examination, they are very chilled out. They just have to do the revision and they can give the examination. So fruitful result only those person gets who has done their homework properly. If you have not done your homework properly, trust me, you will not get fruitful result. Next, connect with self. This means connect with self means see, understand one logic. There is a saying: unless and until I do not connect with myself, I cannot get into that. I cannot connect with anybody else in the world. Because connecting with myself, that means knowing myself. I should know myself properly. That means what is my strength, what is my weakness, what is my need, what is my want. If this is my strength, how to enhance that, where to use that energy, where to use my strength so that I get appreciated and I get success in my career. If this is my weakness, how to overcome my weaknesses, and how to work on my areas of improvement. Unless and until I do not work on my areas of improvement, believe me, where I am standing on today's date, I will remain in the same place. In future, maybe I'll go down, but I will not go in the upward direction. And to get success in your career, you have to go upward direction. Understood? So you have to connect with yourself. You have to understand yourself. Once you can connect yourself, believe me, you can connect with anybody else in the world. Know well. First of all, understand what is your dream, what is your goal, who are you. When I say who are you, half of you will say, "This is me." And if I kept aside your last name for some time, then what is your identity? Who are you? That is what you have to find. Once you can find yourself, believe me, everything is possible for yourself because the word impossible it itself says, I am possible. This is again a positive thinking. Everything is possible. I am possible. And if I know myself properly, of course, I will be confident in what I am doing. Once I have the confidence, then the whole world is mine. If I am not confident, nothing is mine. Once the whole world is mine, then the sky is the limit for me. If I don't know anything, I will try to learn the thing because I have confidence that I can learn the thing. That means I have a skill issue. If I don't know something and I don't want to learn as well, that means I have a will issue. If I have a will issue, nobody can else work on me. Skill issue, your seniors, elders, the person who knows about the thing, they can help on you. But if you have a will issue, nobody can help you except yourself. You need to work on yourself. Then only you can, come out of that situation. Next, as I said, you have to trust yourself. You have to believe yourself. You have to respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, if you don't trust yourself, how do you expect people from society will believe you, will expect, respect you, will give you love? Nobody can do it. And nobody will do it because you yourself don't respect yourself. You count yourself as a loser and you are expecting that the society will count you as a winner. Not possible. First, you start believing yourself, trusting yourself, respecting yourself. Then you will see people also started respecting you, believing in yourself. Because At the end of the day, to get success, we have to be a leader. And leaders, of course, they know themselves properly. And they trust themselves so much. They are confident. And once I'm confident, people will love to talk with a confident person. Of course, they will respect me as well. And once I know myself, I respect myself, I'm confident, then as I said, sky is the limit for myself, for me. There are two kind of people in the society. One is a eagle, another one is a chicken. So you decide how you want to live, like an eagle or like a chicken. See, this is very important, guys. This is very important. Remember this thing. You have to remember this thing because questions may come from this one as well. Acha, just now, who is the one who joined? Who is the one who joined just now? Guys, whose attendance is left? Please let me know. Two people, your attendance is not given. Others, Alika, Agirat, Luis, Domkon Pegu.
Yes, sir.
Whose attendance is left
Sir,
out?
sir?
Whose attendance is left out? Ilyas Ali, Ibn
Yes, sir.
Simba. Just now, who has joined? Please let me know this. Very last one to join.
That's clear.
That guy
That's
is
clear, sir.
from mechanical. Who's that? Ilyas Ali. Ilyas, why have you joined so lately? Ilyas, let me know why have you joined so lately? What is your class timing and when are you joining?
ঘৰত নাছিলো মই মানে sir।
কি কৈছা?
ঘৰত নাছিলো sir মই অলপ আগত আহি পাইছো।
তোমাৰ ক্লাছ আছে তোমাৰ মনত নাই?
হয় sir, আজি মানে Saturday মানে actually 12টাৰ পিছত ক্লাছ নাথাকে আমাৰ।
ক্লাছ ৰস্তাত যোৱা সপ্তাহ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা হোৱা নাই তোমাৰ লগত? যোৱা সপ্তাহ ক্লাছ ৰস্তাত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা হোৱা নাই? ভাই যেতিয়া
Sir, পোৱা নাই মই।
ছেকেণ্ড নাই পোৱা ঠিক আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে তুমি এনেকুৱাই থাকা মই তোমাক ক'বলগীয়া নাই ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ অল আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড ওৱান থিং হা দিছ ইজ দ্য নিউ নৰ্মেল তোমালোকে যেতিয়া কলেজত আহা তেতিয়া ছেটাৰডে ছেকেণ্ড অফত ক্লাছ নাথাকে সেইটো এটা বেলেগ কথা See guys, negative talk, negative self-talk and positive spin. There are two things. Whenever I'm assigned with, some work, most of the time we have a tendency. The moment I'm assigned with some work, the very next moment, this thing comes out from my mouth and it says, I have never done it before. Guys, 1 minute, huh? Negative, whenever I have been assigned with some work, some new work, I'm saying, I have never done it before. I have never done it before. It's very easy to say this one. At the moment I get some kind of work, no, the first statement which will come out of my mouth will be this. Since I'm a negative thinker, rather than saying this, I can say in another way as well. It's an opportunity to learn new things, something new that I can say. Number one, number two, I can say most of the time, we used to say, oh my god, it's so tough, it's so complicated, I cannot do it. Rather than saying this, I can say, I have tried from this side, this way. Let me try by some another way, or by some other angle. Maybe I can do it. I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have that. Most of the time, we give explanations and we give excuses. That's why I'm not able to do this and that, etc., etc. There is a saying in English, necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. When I needed it, somehow I will try to manage it, and I will manage with whatever resources or things I have. There is not enough time. Time is never enough. In a day that is 24 hours, believe me, nobody will tell you that 24 hours is equal to one day is equal to enough. Nobody will say 24 hours is equal to, one day it will remain the same and that is fixed. But it is not enough, it is also fixed because most of us, that time, 24 hours in a day is less for us. So we always run short of time for anything and everything. But but if we follow time management, believe me, we can manage our limited time as well. Next class maybe, because this is a topic to cover. I will cover the time management with you all. This topic as well. That is very important topic. Most of us we used to say, "Oh my God, it is very tough, and I don't think I can do it, or anybody else can do it, because that is next to impossible." There is nothing called impossible. The word itself says, "I am possible," provided I need to know how to do it, and I have to try some other ways as well. If one side is not happening, I will try from another side. Another side not happening, I will try from another side. So depends how am I trying. Next, no one bothers to communicate with me. If nobody is coming and talking with me, no one is bothered to talk with me. No problem. I will try to talk with them. Let's open some another other channels as well. If say example, Lalu Nemba is not talking with me, or say example, Girish is not talking with me, Ilyas is not talking with me, say example, no problem. Let me go and talk with them. Let me initiate the talk. No talk. Let me initiate the talk. Maybe maybe they will start talking with me. If I initiate the talk, if 10 people I'm expecting they will talk with me and they are not talking, okay, no problem. 10 people are not talking with me. If I initiate a talk, maybe out of 10, 7 to 8 people start talking with me. Maybe 10 of 10, out of 10, 10 people are talking with me. It depends. It actually depends. How do I just start, or how do I present myself in front of others? That does carry a huge value. Next is C. How do we interpret situation that actually carry value? If I'm a positive thinker, I will try to see positive things in everything. If I am a negative thinker, I will see negative things in good things as well. It's a long way to go. Life is very long, and at times we have to cross the road alone as well. We have to believe ourselves, we have to think ourselves. At times it may happen that I'm the only one who's crossing that road, or who's covering that journey. My friends, nobody else is there with me. I'm the only one. In that case, if I don't believe myself, I'll be lost on the way. The day I'll start believing myself, the day I'll be completing my task, I will feel like I'm on the top of the world. I will have respect for myself automatically. As I said, see, at times I have to cross the road alone as well, but I have to believe myself. The roads are never easy. Sometime up, sometime down, sometime hodgepodge as well. But if I believe myself, trust myself, everything is possible. Sometimes it might take a long time, additional time as well. But if I know how to do the things, everything can be, accepted, and I will cover my journey towards success. This is all about positive thinking, guys. This is all about positive thinking. There are few things which was written in this PowerPoint presentation. You might get questions in your examination from there, so study well. Do you have any questions to ask me? Jyotishman Bora. Jyotishman Bora. Jyotishman, are you there?
Sir,
Yes. Ah,
it will be comfortable if you send us the link in the group, sir, before the class. We will
already I
be
have sent,
alert, sir. Then
I have already sent the link.
that's sir. Yeah. You have sent, but it's sometimes it gets confusing searching for the link, sir. So it will be better if you send us a link before the class, sir. We will
Uh,
be present at.
Brother, I'll tell you one thing. I have back-to-back classes. If I'm not having a back-to-back class as well, it doesn't matter. But the thing is that once we share our link, you have to save it somewhere because
Yes,
it
sir.
is
We
not
have
possible for
messaged.
me to give you a reminder. A week after week. I cannot do it. No, as far as possible, I'll share the link. But week after week, I'm so sorry. I cannot give you the reminder. You being the student, you need to be a little serious and conscious about the thing.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyways, if you want the link again, you can message me. I mean, my number is there with you all, so you can message me. I'll share the link with you so that you can fill the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
everyone. Stay safe and stay blessed. We'll meet again next week, sharp 1 p.m. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.